What even is AI? AI is everywhere now, but most explanations feel complicated or overwhelming. So let's slow things down and look at what AI actually is. In simple words, AI is not magic. It's a tool that learns patterns from examples and uses those patterns to make predictions. Think of it like noticing patterns in your own life. After seeing enough examples, you begin to just know what might come next. AI does something similar, but at a much larger scale. Modern AI tools can do a lot. Understand text, generate writing, summarize information, recognize images, suggest ideas, answer questions, and even help organize your thoughts. Although a common misconception, AI isn't thinking or feeling. It doesn't understand the world like humans do. It simply predicts what words, ideas, or steps might come next, based on patterns it has seen before. Once you understand that AI works by recognizing patterns, you can use it in calm, intentional ways. As a tool that supports your thinking, not something that replaces it. Now that we've covered the basics, let's introduce 2 ideas we'll explore in the next videos. Tomorrow, we'll look at the main categories of AI tools, like tools for organizing your life, learning, creating, communicating, and building routines. This will give you a clear map of the AI world. We'll also explore the practical things AI can help you with, like planning a day, gathering information, simplifying tasks, and turning ideas into small steps. You don't need to be technical to use AI. You just need simple explanations and gentle guidance. And with a few small lessons, you'll start to see how helpful it can be. Thanks for learning with T and Tech. Hit subscribe, and see you in the next video, where we explore the different types of AI tools.